breathing hard. We're working. Whoa! Wow!
Hello. Don't mind me.
I'm not sure she's ready yet for the stairs.
I don't think she is either, but it's funny to watch her. She tries to kick that leg up.
Come on, Bugsy Boo. Gaily Brady Boo. Come on, Sadie. Look at her. She's waiting for you. She says, come on, little baby. Sadie's like, dang it, I'm trapped.
Oh, she tried. She knows what she needs to do. Oh.
Oh, snap. Look at that big smile. Oh. Sadie is such a good motivator.
She is. That's like her great motivator, is Sadie. Alright, Sadie's down here. No need to go up. Good job, Kaylee. Good job. Getting so big so quick. Hey, Sadie. Hey, Sadie.
Hi.
Hi, Mommy. Where's everybody going? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.